What if your bank worked as hard as you do? The surprising truth about SmartServe Bank in 2026 might change how you view everyday banking. SmartServe Bank is a digital-first bank built for efficiency. It focuses on speed, transparency, and reducing friction in daily money management. Opening an account is fast, and the app is designed so users can understand their finances at a glance. One of SmartServe's most useful tools is intelligent bill tracking. Instead of just showing balances, it forecasts upcoming obligations and adjusts your available spending accordingly. Most people get this wrong by assuming their balance is fully spendable, but SmartServe prevents that mistake. SmartServe also offers automated savings that adapt to your income patterns. When deposits increase, savings increase. When income slows, savings pause instead of causing overdrafts. You won't believe how many users stick with saving simply because it stops feeling painful. Another strong point is fee transparency. Alerts arrive before potential charges, not after. This proactive approach often saves more money than higher interest rates alone. However, SmartServe Bank focuses mainly on core banking. It does not offer advanced investing tools or complex credit products. It's built to be reliable, not flashy. Is SmartServe Bank still worth it in 2026? If you want clean design, predictable banking, and fewer surprises, absolutely. It's ideal for people who want banking to feel simple again. Subscribe for more clear, no-nonsense banking reviews.